The world is far too loud right now, and you are slowly fading into the background of a life that doesn't truly belong to you. You aren't really living, you're just existing in a state of quiet mediocrity, trapped by screens and the endless noise of a digital world. Time is slipping through your fingers while you wait for a sign that never comes. The days blur into a cycle of exhaustion and regret. It is time to disappear, not to run away from your problems, but to conduct a total overhaul of your soul and your ultimate purpose. Welcome to Ghost Mode. For the next 30 days, the world will not see you, but they will certainly feel the impact when you return. By the time you reappear, you will be so transformed that they won't be able to ignore the power of the person you have become. Step 1 is total disconnection. Turn off the notifications, shut down the feeds, and delete the apps that have been draining your focus. Cut the invisible chains of digital addiction. Every scroll was a tether keeping you anchored to a version of yourself that is now dead. Seek out the quiet. Solitude is not a punishment for the lonely. It is a sacred privilege for those who are destined for greatness. In this absolute silence, you will finally hear the voice of your own purpose calling out from beneath the layers of societal noise. Let go of toxic relationships and hollow conversations. Most people are just background noise on your journey toward a higher state of being. This is a private war against your own craving for attention. You don't need their likes. You need your own respect and validation. Ghost mode demands a discipline of cold, hard steel. There are no rest days for a soul that is currently in the process of rebirth. Every drop of sweat falling to the floor is a direct strike against the laziness that once held you captive in a mediocre life. You are forging a new body and a new mind. The physical pain you feel is just the sensation of your old self dying. Every page you read is another round of ammunition loaded into your intellectual arsenal. Knowledge is the weapon you will use to win. Follow the code. Sleep for recovery, eat for fuel, train for strength, and learn for mastery. These are the pillars of your new empire. You are sharpening a blade in the shadows, preparing to cut through every obstacle that used to seem impossible to overcome in the past. Do not pray for an easy life or a comfortable path. Instead, train yourself to become an invincible force of nature that cannot be broken. 30 days of relentless execution. No excuses, no shortcuts, and no mercy for the person you used to be before this journey started. By day 15, the demon of laziness will rise. It will whisper in your ear that you've done enough and it's okay to stop. Do not believe the lies of your comfort zone. This moment of extreme resistance is exactly where your true transformation finally takes root. Pain is only temporary, but the stain of mediocrity is permanent if you choose to give up now. Use the struggle as fuel. Ghost mode is not for the faint of heart or the weak of mind. It is a trial by fire designed to burn away everything. Embrace the suffering. Let it change you. Let it harden your resolve until you are nothing but pure, unadulterated will and focused ambition. After 30 days in the shadows, you are no longer the person who walked in. You have emerged as a completely new, refined entity. You are sharper, stronger, and fundamentally unbeatable. The world will look at you with wonder, sensing a power they cannot explain or understand. They see the results and the success, but they have no idea about the silent battles you fought and won in the dark. Ghost mode is more than just a challenge. It is a permanent lifestyle for those who are chosen to lead and to conquer. The battle has already begun. Will you choose to disappear to become great? Or will you stay present just to remain comfortably mediocre?